Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 4-pack of fly fans. This is going to be fantastic for the summer when we're out barbecuing and you get those pesky little flies all over your food, everywhere you are. These are going to be great. What they are, it actually condenses down just like this. They have the little fan blades that have this holographic look right on the top that'll just reflect off sun and the movement of the air to keep those flies from coming all around you. So I'm going to bring you in here close and show you how to assemble this and how we turn them on. So here it is in a consolidated state. When you flip it upside down, all of the pieces all just come out, and then you just kind of turn it to the right just a little bit to secure it in place. Then you have your little fan here. It's just a nice lightweight little fan with these little holographics. It's a little hole right here in the center, and we just poke that right on the top here and press down. And then underneath, you actually have an area here for your batteries. That we will get your batteries, and then you do need to have 2 AA batteries that it does not come with. So now that we got the batteries in there, it does have little non-slip grips if you were to set it on the actual counter, or you could hang this thing up and have it going up above an area as well. So then you just turn it on, you just simply move the off to the on, and it starts to work. So super simple to be able to use all of these and have them set up on tables around the rooms. So you can see that almost kind of rainbowy glow from that holographic design. They're nice, lightweight, quiet designs. It'd be great for any area. If you did have a kid that came over and touched it, it will instantly stop. There isn't a cut or anything like that that it causes. When you're done, you just turn it off. You turn it the opposite way, go to your left, collapse it down. Then you are ready to get storage and use it again for next time. These are going to be great for the summertime, indoor or outdoor, little fly fans.